Ferrari is going to launch 15 cars between 2023 and 2026 and expand its plan for EVs. 15 cars sounds like a lot for 3 years.
That's a lot. Right?
For Ferrari. Gearing up to add its electric vehicles to its lineup starting 2025, and a new strategy outlining the company's plans for the coming decade have been announced by the CEO, Benedetto Vigna, on Thursday. Key among the plans is confirmation that Ferrari will launch 15 cars between 23 and 26, 2023, 2026, including its first EV, which comes in 2025. There's going to be a successor to the LaFerrari and more additions to the Icona series of limited editions. Also, and I still don't know how to say this. Can you give me Will, say the word.
Puro Sangue?
Is that correct? Go ahead. Mo, take a crack. Right there.
Puro Sangue.
Okay. Ferrari's first SUV is going to debut in September. Ferrari also has a goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2030. Other specific targets mentioned include growing sales of electrified models to 60% by 2026 and 80% of their sales by 2030. Split between EVs and hybrids. The Ferrari crowd's an interesting one. Say goodbye to the rumble and the bumble of the motor. I don't know. Time will tell. The SUV will be a big play. It'll be a big change. Even having just that, for a company like them.